Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Dr. Shorob's classes. Today, we are going to solve another beautiful problem from the CMI, that is the Chennai Mathematical Institute MSc Data Science Entrance Examination 2026. Now, before solving, let me tell you why CMI asks the questions like this. The CMI entrance is not about applying the formulas mechanically. It is designed to test your logical reasoning, mathematical creativity, graph theory intuition, and the proof writing ability. And many questions have multiple valid answers, but what matters is whether your answer is logically correct and mathematically justified. So today's question comes from the graph theory, one of the most important topics in the mathematics, computer science, network science, artificial intelligence, and the data science as well. And in fact, whenever the social networks like Facebook or LinkedIn represent friendships or connections, they use the graphs. So let us think the mathematicians rather than the calculators. Okay. So first we will read the question, then we will discuss about it. So the question says, at a gathering of five people, name A, B, C, D, E. Each person records how many other people they uh, shook hands with. So each number must be between 0 and 4. Find one possible set of five recorded numbers with at least two repeated values, but not all values equal, and describe a possible configuration of handshakes. Okay. Now, students, first let us convert this in a mathematical language. So, whenever two people shake hands, both person increase their count by one. For example, if A shakes hands with B, then A's count increases by one and B's count is also increases by one. So, every handshake contributes to the total sum of all recorded numbers. Okay. So this leads to one of the most famous theorems in the graph theory, that is the handshaking lemma. Sum of all degrees is equal to 2 into number of handshakes. Okay. So therefore, the total sum of all recorded numbers must always be even. So this is an extremely important theorem and is frequently asked in CMI. So whenever you hear the handshake problem, immediately think about the graph theory and represent each person as a vertex and every handshake as an edge. And the number of the handshakes made by a person is simply the degree of that vertex. Okay. So this simple thing makes the problem much easier. Now, the question does not ask for all possibilities. It asks for one possible set. So, we only need to construct one valid example. So, let us choose like 22110. Okay. Now, let us verify the conditions. Now, the condition number one, every number lies between 0 and 4. Yes. Condition number two, at least two repeated values. Here, 2 appears twice, 1 appears twice. So, satisfied. Condition number three, not all values are equal. So, clearly 22110 are not all equal. So, it is also satisfied. Now the condition number four, that says, can such a handshake arrangement actually exist? So this is the most important part. Many degree sequences look correct but are impossible. So now we must construct the handshakes. Now let the people be A, B, C, D and E. So assign the degrees. Now I'm making a table. Here I'm writing the person and here the required handshakes. So A is 2, B is 2, C is 1, D is 1 and E is 0. Okay. Now let us create the handshake. So handshake 1. A shakes hands with B. So current counts A1, B1. Handshake 2. A shakes hands with C. So now A is 2, C is 1. Now the handshake 3. B shakes hands with D. So now B2, D1. Okay? And E does not shake hands with anyone. So hence E equal to 0. Now every person's count matches perfectly. So final handshakes AB, AC, BD. No other handshake occurs. Okay? Now the verification. Let us check one more. Person, handshake, and this is degree. A, B, C, D, and this is E. So A with B and C, so degree is 2. B with A and D, so this is 2. C with A, so this is 1. D with B, so this is 1. E will be none. So this is 0. So therefore the recorded numbers are 2, 2, 1, 1, 0. The total sum is what? 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So this is 6. And since 6 equal to 2 into 3, there are exactly 3 handshakes which agrees with the handshaking lemma. So everything is perfectly consistent. Okay. So basically, we never counted the handshakes directly. Instead, we first designed the degree sequence, then built a graph that realizes it. So this idea widely used in the social network analysis, transportation networks, communication systems, recommendation algorithms, and the internet routing. So this is why the graph theory is one of the foundations of the modern data science, you can say. Okay, so clear? So see you in the next session. Bye-bye.